Jiangsu Lazen Machinery Technology Company Limited was built by a team of technical engineers with decades of experience in food processing industry. We specialized in providing the turnkey solution for tomato processing line, fruit and vegetable processing line, juice drinks and beverage production line, dairy products processing line. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your exact technical requirements and provide you the right technical solutions or customized designs of the processing plants. We also provide field installation, commissioning, and operation training at your factory. We have exported to over 30 countries and regions worldwide, such as Ethiopia, Algeria, Saudi Arabia, France, India, Russia, Colombia, and so on. We also provide single units of the machines which are very popular on the market, such as fruit washing machines, fruit crusher, fruit pulper and refiner, different types of the juice extractors, evaporators, UHT sterilizer or pasteurizers, aseptic bag and drum or box fillers, PET bottle filling and packaging machines, glass bottle filling and capping machines, metal can filling and seaming machines, pouch bag or sachet packaging machines, and so on. Lazen Machinery strives to provide our customers with high-quality and high-cost performance equipment, and we aim to become your reliable supplier and cooperator in the future.
Welcome to Lazen Machinery!